Hi guys, welcome to my video for the part 4 of the app in which there's a option to play and there's a stopwatch. So this is how far we went. So the last was the score. So we have now let's start off. So this was the score. So we have to set the number on the stopwatch. See, button stopwatch. So, see, it will be on ID, but ID stopwatch. La label stopwatch R. See, now, see, it will work normally. There's an error here, see. So, I'm removing this error. Yeah, now it's correct. So, stopwatch, see, it's working like it did it the last video, but I'm changing the alignment. Okay, so study screen. I know in the last video I did this, but somehow it didn't happen. So, and now I have to name this. It is button stop. So see, stop. Changing the color as usual. See, now I'm done with the coding for the main thing. Just reset and stop is left. See, it's not changing the color, so I think we have to code that also. See here, we have to do it. So now we have to do for the reset button. See, the reset button on the, so we have to go here. See, reset button. So for that we have to do when button reset is clicked. See, button stopwatch button reset. See, it's right here. Button reset clicked. R equals to 0. See, R equals to 0. Then only it will be reset. So now we have to put set number on the so now we have to set the number. That's why we have to put set number. Set the stopwatch time. So number 1 labels. See, The designing part you can do it on your own. So first, see it's like this. When I reset it, it's 0. So now the reset is working. I'm changing the font of the font of the. It's very thick. That's why I'm making this. Yeah, this is fine. See, it's not changing the color. That's the issue because we didn't code for it. Let's code. Button reset state. So here we have to put set property. See, it's here. Set property. ID is label blank. Text color. I think it's not done correctly. See. Text color will be. Now I'm putting the RGB thing. I think I've done this in the last video, but I don't know, somehow it didn't happen, so I have to do it again. So random number 0 to 255, as you know till now. In every RGB I've done that. That's not compulsory, but if you don't do that, it will be the same color always. So that's why. And you can put 2 or 3 as I told you in the last video. So I want to put 3. 0 to 255. I'm putting the thickness as 1.5. So now it shouldn't be in the button reset. It should be in the time loop. So yeah, now it's all correct. Now just it's left for the button stop. So button stop. When button stop is clicked, wait, button stop clicked, set, button stop click, stop the time loop. So this is the time loop, right? So it should get stopped. Yeah. Now I think we are done. Let's check it. See, still not changing. I think it's some error. That's why it's not changing the color. I think it's some error. So let me decrease the thickness. I think it's maybe because of that. Now let's check it. Now also it's not happening. I think it's no, this is the wrong label. See, now it will happen. I by mistakenly put a wrong thing. Now it will happen. reset, it became 0, stop, it's working. So it's the end of this app. You can share it, and I made these apps using code.org, so you can also make these. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give this video a like. Thank you.